Okay, right now we're going to use the AI process of, or AI copywriter of Ontraport. And all you have to do is go to messages and then go to simple mail, or create new message and then choose simple mail. And on the right hand corner below the ad tracking, the links in this email is AI copywriter, wherein you're going to add the thing that you want to do. Be descriptive as much as possible. Right now I'm gonna write in here, can you create me an Ontraport an email about event happening in Sydney, Australia, using Sam Cottern's voice, and then click on write, and then it will going to create you their copy, which you can use in your emails, and maybe you can add it in your website. So it's up to you whether where you want it to be added. But this AI copywriter in Ontraport is currently free, so take advantage of it. It might be not be available for free in few months because it's still in beta access right now. But yeah, we can absolutely use this for now because it's currently free, and we can create bulk copies for our emails and other stuff, and you can use it. It's very great in using this copy. It's cool that you don't have to think about if you're having a mental block on creating copies, then this one is for you. You can actually add different things, like even coding. You can ask how to code, how to integrate this to in Zapier and other stuff. So yeah, take advantage of it. Why not? And I'm not happy with what I currently have, so I'm going to ask a different one. I wanted it to be in a different message, maybe a different description that I can use here. Yeah, so I can send it to an invite to everyone in Sydney. Yeah, but this one is cool. You can still use it, but I'll just discard it and then try again. So I will just change it to a different description. So it will give me it depends on what kind of description you have. So it will have different kind of writing. It depends on how you write it actually. So I'm using a different wording right now, using Sam Cottern's voice. Write me an email or an event about story showing and confidence. So this is actually the content that I'm trying to use right now, and this will be for January 12 of 2023. So I would like to add that, so the AI can do it for me as well. Yeah, and then you can write it. So this is the new copy that I have. So on January 12, 2023 in Sydney, Australia, come and join renowned speaker and author Sam Cottern for empowering event focused on story showing and confidence building. During this event, learn from Sam's experience as a survivor of car crash. Actually, you can, your copywriter, of course, you're not gonna teach your copywriter. The copywriter can be able to change the wording and use this to be more powerful and persuasive, so that your contact will be able to join your event. Follow for more.